Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to limit YouTube usage. If you are using YouTube and you want to limit your YouTube usage, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your YouTube app. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your app because it's the latest feature. So sometimes it's unavailable if you haven't updated your app. So open your App Store or Play Store, go for search. Simply search for YouTube, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your YouTube app. If you find, try to update your app. So after updating, you have to simply go to your YouTube app, then tap on your profile option in the bottom right. Select settings of the gear icon in the top right. Now from here, you have to select general, and here you'll get the very first option, which is remind me to take a break. So you have to simply enable that option. So once I've enabled, YouTube will ask you to change break reminder. So you can select your 30 minutes, every 45 minutes, or you can select every hour, or you can also try to customize. So let's say I'm select every hour from here. So now once you have selected every hour, so after 1 hour using the YouTube app, YouTube will send you a reminder that you have to try to take a break from YouTube. So in this way, you can easily limit YouTube usage on your iPhone or on your Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.